to change Facebook page name on PC or laptop. So if you want to change the Facebook page name on your PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and you need to go with your facebook.com, or you can also go with the application if you have the application, and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in to your Facebook page, just click on the profile which is on the top right and go with the Facebook page. Once you're on the Facebook page, now click on the name or just go with manage page, and under manage page you need to go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and you will have the page setup. Click on page setup, go with name option, which is on the first, and go with edit, which is on the right side of the name option. Just click on edit, and from here you can remove the name that you have right now and add another name. So just change your name and click on review change, and make sure that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So choose a wise name and then go with review change, and your name will be changed. So that's how you can change your Facebook page name on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.